Our vision of building a cutting-edge lubricant manufacturing plant is coming to life. Since laying the foundation stone in 2023, our first greenfield investment in India is now just months away from being fully operational. Every beam, every pillar, every structure stands as a testament to our unwavering dedication and relentless progress. This marks a significant leap towards solidifying our position as one of India's leading providers of high-performance lubricants, powered by our advanced blending technology. Plant has a production capacity of approximately 16 crore liters. We are ready to meet the demands of this ever-growing market. Together, let's help to drive the next wave of India's growth.